In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared folder in Dropbox. Whether you're collaborating on a school project or working on a team presentation, sharing a folder in Dropbox is a simple and efficient way to ensure everyone has access to the latest files and updates. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open Dropbox. If you're using a web browser, navigate to www.dropbox.com and log into your account. You can also access Dropbox through the desktop application if it's installed on your computer, or simply by opening your Dropbox folder directly. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that best fits your workflow. Now that you're in Dropbox, the next step is to create a shared folder. If you're on the web interface, look for the Create button and give it a click, then select Folder. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to name your folder. You might choose something descriptive, perhaps the name of your project like School Project, to keep things organized and easily identifiable. Once you've named your folder, don't forget to tick the option that says Share with People. This is crucial, as it's what allows you to collaborate with others by giving them access to the folder. Without selecting this option, your folder won't be shared, and your colleagues or classmates won't be able to see the files. Next, it's time to invite people to the folder. You'll see a space where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Make sure you have the correct email addresses and double-check them to avoid any errors. When you're ready, you can decide on the level of access you wish to give them. You have the option to select Can Edit, which allows invited members to add and edit files within the folder. This is ideal if you're working collaboratively, and everyone needs to contribute actively by uploading documents or making changes. Alternatively, if you're just sharing the folder for viewing purposes, select Can View. This restricts access so they can only see the files, which is perfect for when you need to prevent accidental changes or deletions. Finally, once you've set the access level, simply click Share. This will send out invitations to the selected email addresses, giving them access to your newly created shared folder. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shared folder in Dropbox, invited collaborators, and set their access permissions. This process is straightforward, yet incredibly effective for facilitating collaboration and ensuring everyone stays in sync with the latest updates and files. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!